Welcome to my channel.
Netgear Wi-Fi not working? Quick fix and login guide. 1. Restart your Netgear router. Turn off your Netgear router and modem. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds, then turn them back on. This clears temporary network glitches and often fixes Wi-Fi issues quickly. 2. Check power and internet lights. Make sure the power light is solid and the internet light is green or white. Red or blinking lights usually indicate a connection problem. 2. Check power and internet lights. Make sure the power light is solid and the internet light is green or white. Red or blinking lights usually indicate a connection problem. 4. Reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Turn Wi-Fi off on your phone or laptop, forget the Netgear network, and reconnect again using the correct password. 5. Confirm the Wi-Fi password. Ensure you are entering the correct Wi-Fi password. You can find the default password on the label at the back of the router. 6. Log in to the Netgear router. Open a browser and go to routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1. Log in using your admin username and password to access router settings. 7. Check internet connection status. After logging in, go to the Internet or Status section and confirm that the router shows connected to the Internet. 8. Update router firmware. Go to Advanced, Firmware Update, and check for updates. Installing the latest firmware can improve performance and fix bugs. 9. Change Wi-Fi channel or band. If Wi-Fi is slow or keeps disconnecting, change the wireless channel or switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for better stability. 10. Reset the router, last option. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds to restore factory settings. Set up the Wi-Fi again using the Netgear app or web login.
Thanks for watching.